Now race number 5. All set, ready to race. Race number 5. And the race is on. Brother Barak from the outside, Mr. Tatler. Moving up by the rail is Royal Jello on side. Fierce and Fiery C. Senor is running by the rail, while DB Soria is running at the tail of the field. Brother Barak by about 2 lengths. Fierce and Fiery, Mr. Tatler. C. Senor is running by the Royal G and Divisoria. And rounding the far turn, Brother Barak, Fierce and Fiery. C. Senor is running by the and Mr. Tatler. As they race the final corner, Brother Barak, Fierce and Fiery. C. Senor in between runners. 3 runners fighting up for the lead. Fierce and Fiery. Si Senor is bound the inside. Si Senor, Fierce and Fiery, sorry, outside. Si Senor, Fierce and Fiery, Mr. Tatler. And finally, Si Senor with Jap Tagulaw Zarate. Second, Fierce and Fiery.